Hi guys. I'd like to introduce you today. Safe travel area. And most interesting in Vietnam. That's Ba Den Mountain Resort in Tay Ninh. If in the north is famous for the peak of Phan Xipang, the central region is famous for its mountain peak. In South Vietnam, there is a mountain called Ba Den. It is known as the roof of the South, because this is the highest mountain in South Vietnam, with an altitude of nearly 1,000 meters. And in recent times, get the investment, strong tourism development by Sunroof Group, a tycoon in the cable car village of Vietnam. It's made this place more attractive than ever. So travel to the Black Ba Mountain. What you will experience. The first experience, that's the modern cable car. Pull to the top of the mountain. But the Black Lady must be familiar. With so many generations, there is a famous temple. Sacred and mysterious with strange stories. Every year a lot of people come here for pilgrimage, to pray for luck. Business is favorable. Outside the temple, you can also admire the majestic view. At an altitude of 1,000 meters on top of the mountain, you can see the city of Tay Ninh. And especially, you can also see the Western Buddha. Da Sun Surgery achieved 26 Guinness World Records. It's a bronze Buddha. The highest point in Asia is located at the top of the mountain, awarded by Guinness World Records Asia. In the 6th century, there was a bronze statue of Buddha. The highest point in Vietnam is located on the top of the mountain, awarded by the 6th century Vietnam. I must say that this Buddha is very large. On the top of this mountain, you also enjoy the extremely cool air, with flower carpets spread out at the foot of the Buddha. And in times of cloudy weather, you will feel the clarity of the air here. At the foot of the Buddha, it's a very special treasure. It's called a Buddhist art gallery. Here you are. You will experience an artistic film about Buddhism is very beautiful and interesting. It's called The Universe in the Buddhist Sense. Through film mapping technology, with state-of-the-art audio projection equipment, top in the world. Out. The floors are where the versions are displayed. Simulation of many works of art, Buddhist classics, in which there are many famous statues of Vietnam and the whole world, along with hundreds of artifacts. It makes sense with development, Buddhist culture through many stages and different periods. It's all converging on this gallery. In this area, you're also checked in with appealing pile-marked altitude of the mountain Black Lady. Here, I'll see the whole scene of the sound of the cable car stretching from the foot of the mountain to the top. And inside the GA house, there will be a restaurant serving lunch. This allows visitors to get more energy, to explore the entire peak of Black Ba and the tallest Buddha statue in Asia. And that's all we have. We'll experience in this video. I invite you to explore the details with me. Like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's keep an eye on our next videos. Ba Den Mountain Tourist Area of Tay Ninh City. It is about 8 kilometers from the city center. It's also pretty close and move easily. It only takes about 20 minutes to get here. The second option includes both cable cars. That's to the top of the mountain and up to her temple. The included buffet is $47 per person. I would choose option 1 instead of option 2. To her temple, I will walk, because you're only walking for about 30 minutes. It's pretty close to saving. I just experienced it along the way, so I only chose 1 cable car. It's a special thing in front of this box office. It has a very beautiful flower garden part. There's a hunting word here, a very familiar word. In this area, everyone checked in and the picture was beautiful and awesome. As you can see, it's beautiful and big, right? This is one of the disciplined GAs. Chinist World, recognized as the largest GA house in the world. And here you can see. You can design a drinking dome up here. In the sense of what they say, this is symbolic of the three famous mountains of Tainan. That's Mount Feng and Mount Pig. If people buy cable car tickets to her temple, then after visiting the top of the Black Ba, you have to move back down to the GA house, and then catch another cable to connect to her temple. Is okay. With the statue of the Lost Bodhisattva in large SA stone, top in the world. At the center is a magical combination of sounds, light, and the students to perform these bold dances. Spiritual culture, color, advanced technology, and modern equipment never appeared in Vietnam. The machine will also be used in this house as bi-dimensional machine, cube forming machine together with shimmering lights, combined with impressive vignette effect, over and over again, indefinitely. Combined with the water curtain is the lighting system, electronic 10,000 sprayers and giant nozzles. Using the world's leading advanced technology. It's a combination of traditional Buddhism and modern technology, between the right architectural form and the effect of water. Create an emotional experience, space. The statue of the Lost Bodhisattva on the top of Baden Mountain. It becomes a journey, find true joy and peace. Food is also an experience, very attractive on the journey to the Black Ba, to admire the Maitreya Buddha. This place is not only famous with the ice cream that bears the symbol of her mountain, once made an unforgettable impression. Who's been here this week? But there's a lot of great food. Bring her own mountain flavor, like pizza, food and so on, and especially this year. Visitors participating in Black Ba Mountain can also experience lots of food and fast food at a very reasonable price. According to many visitors, this is a new feature. It's quite the attraction of the Granny Resort Mountain in the new year. Because of the fast food service, it will bring convenience to the journey. Discover the tourist's grandmother's mountain. If you are a lover of spiritual travel, don't miss this Buddhist land. Tainan, land full of sun and wind. There are also many famous tourist destinations. It is worth your time to set foot. The video is also long. We ask permission to close. Thank you for following all of this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to channels to get more VI New Dike offline. And now, hello. See you in the next video.